beautiful family, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious cauliflower fried rice. So if you're interested in seeing how I put this delicious bowl of goodness together, then keep watching. Alright G Squad, so here are all the ingredients laid here on the counter. So I'm going to use a, I guess it's like a medium-sized cauliflower. My household is only for two, so I didn't need anything larger than this. I have my onion for garnishing at the end. I'm going to be using this entire onion. I'll be sauteing this. I have my lemon. I'm going to be using 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to mince these. I also have a, this is about a cup, a little less than a cup of frozen vegetables. Then I have 2 eggs, my 2 eggs right here, extra virgin olive oil. I have some sesame oil, dark soy sauce, and then I'm using some pink Himalayan salt as my seasoning, okay? So now, I think I've covered everything, so now let's just get into our cooking. Alright family, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grate my cauliflower. So I'm going to be using this grater. If you have a food processor, you can put it in your food processor and do it like that. So I have this dish here to catch my cauliflower. So I'm just going to go you gotta have some patience with this, y'all. Okay, and so this is how it's going to look. Okay, so I'm going to finish this up off camera and then I'll pop back in. So this is how it's going to look once you finish doing your grating. Alright G Squad, I have my pan on medium heat. So now I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of this olive oil. And swirl my pan around just to make sure it's fully coated. Give this about a minute to heat up and then I'll add my onions to it. Okay, so our oil is heated up, so now I'm going to add my diced onion. And just spread this out, and I'm going to allow these onions to saute for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, till they're nice and translucent. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes, so now I will add my mixed vegetables in here, as well as the minced garlic. Smells so good. So now this is going to saute for like 2 minutes. Alright, so I'm going to go in now with my sesame oil and add maybe like half a teaspoon. And then now I'm going to add my cauliflower. And then just beginning to mix it. And then now I'm going to actually turn my heat up a little higher. Get that nice and mixed really well. And then now I'm going to go in with my soy sauce. And say I'll add about, it's about what, 2 tablespoons? Smells so good. Okay, so now I'm going to create some space here in the middle. I'm going to lower my heat. Then I'm going to add just a little more oil. If your pan starts to dry out, just add a little oil to it. Mix that around some. And I have it on medium heat. So now I'm going to add my eggs. And you want to leave some space in the middle, if you do it in the middle on the side, but you just want to leave some space for your eggs to begin to cook. And then as they start to cook, you're going to scramble them. I'm going to also add some of this pink Himalayan salt. I'm going to start to scramble my egg. Okay, I'm just literally just scrambling the egg. I'm moving it around and scrambling it. Okay, so now when it's kind of like semi-soft, and now you're just going to go in and mix everything together. And so now with my lemon, I'm just going to add about a teaspoon of lemon juice. Make sure your seeds don't fall in the pot, so I'll just cover it with my hands and then just squeeze about a teaspoon. Then give it a nice mix. Okay, and that's it. You want to give it a taste. Make sure it's seasoned to your liking. I'm going to turn my fire off now. Okay. And that's it. So I'm going to transfer this to a bowl and then we'll wrap up this video. You'll see that beautiful rice? Oh, nice and healthy. Let go. Alright, G Squad, so I'm going to garnish this with some scallions or green onions. And yeah, that's it. And so we have it, our cauliflower fried rice. And family, as I said, I tasted it and it tastes so delicious. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. We'd love to have you be a part of the family. And I look forward to seeing y'all in the next video. Stay well, I love you, and be blessed. Bye.